In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you're trying to get a complete picture of every invoice you've issued, whether it's open, paid, overdue, or voided, this walkthrough will help you see them all in one place. We'll move through the built-in views and a couple of simple filter adjustments, so you can quickly review your records without jumping around the product. Start by navigating to the Sales section from the left-hand panel. This is the main hub for everything related to your customers, products, and services, and of course, invoices. If your left menu is collapsed, hover over it or click the expansion icon so you can clearly see the labels, then select Sales. Once you're on the Sales page, open the Invoices tab. This tab collects all invoice activity into a single table, showing key details like customer, due dates, amounts, balances, and current status. Right away, you'll see a list, but depending on your previous filters, it may be limited to certain statuses or time periods. We're going to adjust those so nothing is hidden. Use the status filter to switch the view to all. This ensures you're not just looking at open or paid items, but every invoice regardless of its current state. Next, adjust the date filter. Set it to a broad range. All dates is the simplest option, so older invoices aren't excluded from the results. If you need a specific time frame, you can choose a custom range, but for a comprehensive sweep, all dates helps you confirm that nothing is missing. Keep in mind that loading a large date range can take a moment, especially if your company has many transactions. To make the list easier to review in one continuous view, head to the top right of the table and click the small gear icon. This controls how the table is displayed. In the rows setting, select the maximum available, which is 300. This lets you view up to 300 invoices on a single page you can scroll through, reducing the need to click through multiple pages. If you have more than 300 invoices, you'll still see page controls, but this setting minimizes how often you need to switch pages. These changes only affect your view, not your data. That's all you need. Go to Sales, open the Invoices tab, set Status to All, choose a wide date range, and increase the rows to 300 for a clean, scrollable list. With that done, you can quickly scan your entire invoice history and stay on top of your records with confidence.